In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy USDT on Kucoin using the best and quickest method. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to streamline your cryptocurrency transactions, this guide will cover all the steps you need to get started. First, we'll begin by heading to Kucoin's official website. This is the platform where you can buy, sell, and trade a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, including USDT. It's important to make sure you're on the official site to safeguard your transactions and personal details. Once you're on the Kucoin homepage, you'll want to click on the Login button. This is usually found at the top right corner of the page. Logging into your Kucoin account is essential because it allows you to access your crypto wallet and initiate trades. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up before proceeding. But those of you with accounts ready can move right along by entering your credentials. After logging in, you'll be redirected to your account's homepage. From here, look to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. This drop-down menu gives you access to several account features. But for now, what we're interested in is purchasing USDT. Following that, you'll need to click on the Buy Crypto section. This feature is designed to simplify the process of buying cryptocurrencies, making it accessible even for those who haven't traded before. Once you click Buy Crypto, navigate to the Fast Trade option. Fast Trade is a convenient feature offered by Kucoin to perform quick and straightforward transactions. It's an excellent choice if you want to avoid complex trading interfaces or are in a hurry to complete your purchase. As you click through, you'll see a drop-down menu of available cryptocurrencies. You'll want to select USDT from this list. USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin tied to the value of the US dollar, making it a popular choice for those looking to trade or hold their assets in a relatively stable form. After selecting USDT, you'll have the ability to enter the amount you wish to purchase. Double-check this information to ensure you've chosen the correct amount based on your budget or investment plan. Finally, click on Buy USDT to complete your transaction. It's a user-friendly process, and the system usually processes it quickly. Once completed, you'll see your newly purchased USDT reflected in your account balance. There you have it. You now know how to buy USDT on Kucoin. With these steps, purchasing cryptocurrency is as simple as a few clicks. Make sure to keep track of your transaction records and secure your account with two-factor authentication for extra security. Thank you for watching, and happy trading!